Should a phone number be a number or VARCHAR2? Many beginners get this wrong. Welcome back to the SQL series. In this video, we will understand SQL data types with practical Oracle examples so you know exactly which data types to choose while designing database tables. Let's understand what data types actually is. A data type simply defines what kind of information a particular column is allowed to store. Think of it like assigning a role to every column in your database. For example, if a column stores a marks, salary, or a age, we use a numeric data type. If it stores names, city names, or an email address, we are going to choose character data types. If it stores students, date of birth, or employee joining date, or some details related to date, we consider it as a date data type. And if we need to store huge amount of text or even a file like images, videos, or PDFs, Oracle also provides special large object data types. After knowing this, at first glance, everything seems straightforward, but here is where the most beginners get confused. If both of these stores character, why does Oracle provide two different data types? And another interesting question is why do we have both int and number data type? Are they exactly the same or it is completely different? Instead of memorizing definition, let us open Oracle SQL and understand each data type through practical example. We will start with a most commonly used character data types and VARCHAR2. So here character is a fixed length character data type. First we create a table here. So now we are to create table using create command. As you know, in our first video we already created a table using the create command. I will take the table name here like test1. Table has been created. Now we insert values. Even though I entered only RAM, Oracle reserves all the 10 characters here. The remaining position are automatically filled with empty spaces. Let's check this using the length function. So I am using here a length function using a select command. Let me take another example here. So varchar I am going to try now. It is a variable length character data type. Oracle stores only the actual character entered. In a previous example what I have taken, the same value I am going to take. Similarly, we do check using a length function. Here we got a length is 3. So now I am going to take another example. I am going to create a table using the table name like test3. Now I do use both char and varchar2 quickly to understand the differences. Here I am taking name1 as character and name2 as a varchar2. Similarly, we do check using a length function. So now I am going to use another method to check what kind of length it has been stored inside the internal storage. So for that I am using here a dump function. Similarly here also I will take select. After that I will take a dump function. Next name1 comma dump name2. Next from test3. So we got the output like dump name1 and dump name2. So you can witness here typ equal to 96 means char, typ equal to 1 means varchar2. ASCII value 32 represent empty spaces. 114, 97, 109. So it represent that three values what you have taken in a name 2. The remaining space is empty. So it represent in ASCII character 32. So in a length 3, 114, 97, 109 represent RAM, R, A and M what you have taken in a name 1, and remaining all the 7 spaces that remains empty, so that we got the value 32 here. So in ASCII value 32 represent empty spaces. You can see another example. There also 114, 97 and 109 we got, but only 3 space has been created in a VARCHAR2. Notice how char stores extra spaces while varchar stores only the actual character. For understanding the storage differences, both length and dump are useful. In a real project, however, you will rarely use a dump function. Now we will move towards differences between varchar and varchar2. So you may also notice another data type called VARCHAR. In Oracle, VARCHAR exists only for future compatibility with the SQL standard. Oracle commands using VARCHAR2 in all the application. Both behave almost similar way, but Oracle may change the behavior of VARCHAR in future. That's why whenever you design Oracle table, always use VARCHAR2 instead of VARCHAR. So now let us move towards numeric data type. So now I take create table test 4. So I am going to take here salary. Salary should be a number, right? So salary I will take. After that I will take here precision and scale. So after number I am taking here 5 comma 2. Once I have inserted the value, you may understand what it is. So insert into test for values. So I am going to take the value like 10,000. You can see here a value larger than specified precision allowed for this column. Actually we have to take 3 digit. So let us see how to take the values. So now I have taken 100.23. So it has been stored. One row has been created. So I will take another example, create table test 5, salary just as a number. So Oracle automatically allows up to 38 digits. So it will not witness here when you describe test 5. So only you will get a number. That's why when you describe a table, you may see number 38 whenever you use int data type. Oracle number data type can store value with a maximum precision of 38 decimal digits. Did you notice something interesting? Even though we declare int in a previous example, what I have taken in a DML DBL command explanation, Oracle converted it into number 38. That's because Oracle does not have a separate internal integer data type. Int and integer are simply aliases of number 38. So internally Oracle stores int as number with precision of 38 digits. Now let us answer our thumbnail question what I have asked during our first bit of video. Although a phone number contains digits, it is not used for a mathematical calculation. Phone number can start with 0. International numbers include symbol like plus. We never add or subtract or multiply phone number. In general, you may use int or number, but phone number should not be stored as a varchar2 rather than a number or int. So the proper way you have to use to create a database, you should be use the phone number as a varchar2. Next one is date data type. Oracle provide different date and time data types. Date stores date along with time up to seconds. Timestamp stores date and time with a fractional seconds for higher precision, and timestamp with time zone also available. So it stores the time zone information. Oracle also supports different data types such as year to month and day to second, which are used to store time duration rather than calendar dates. So now we came to last part of this session, that is large object data types. So you can see here I have taken test 8. First column I have taken title, that is varchar2, and second I have taken content, CLOB, character large object. It is used to store very large text such as books, articles, or documents. Entire paragraph if you want to write, you are going to use CLOB. So now I am inserting the value in test 8. So one row has been created. So let us display test 8 table. So this is how it will show the entire line you can see here. Next I am going to take table name as test 9. Here I am going to use BLOB, that is a binary large object. It is used to store binary data like images, audios, videos, PDF files. So here I am taking a name as a varchar and a resume. Resume should be in a PDF or a different file, right? So now I am going to insert the values inside the test9 table. So name, I will take one random name, and directly we cannot store the entire resume here. So that I will take empty blob function. So one row has been created. So if you display it, so it will not show the proper thing. Column or attribute type cannot be displayed by SQL plus. So in actual project, we can use it this particular data types. In this video, we learned how to choose the correct data types while designing a table. We also understood the difference between CHAR and VARCHAR2, why Oracle recommends VARCHAR2 over VARCHAR, how int is internally converted to number, why phone number should be stored as a VARCHAR2, and the purpose of date, time, timestamp, CLOB and BLOB. In the next video, we will start creating professional database table using a constraint like a primary key or a different keys structure. Before that, we will understand operators or a different concept comes under database, especially clauses or functions, aggregate functions. Let us see. So I will see you in our next video.